Right in the heart of the 2026 World Robot Conference in Beijing, the crowd keeps circling back to one booth where a pair of UBTech U1 Lite robots sit side by side like they truly belong there. These are the semi-torso versions, specifically designed to live on a desk or reception counter rather than walk around the room. Visually, the silicone skin catches the hall lights with the exact same soft sheen as real skin. Her hair moves naturally when the head turns, and the eyes track whoever is speaking with a quiet, steady focus that feels almost impolite to stare at for too long. When someone in the crowd asks a question, she answers in clear Mandarin. The lip sync lands within an impressive 20 milliseconds, ensuring the sound and the physical movement never drift apart. Furthermore, the robot recognizes more than 20 distinct emotional states with a claimed accuracy of above 90%. Instead of streaming your private conversations to a cloud server, the U1 Lite relies on an emotional growth-based large model with entirely local, encrypted memory storage. By ensuring that this growing history of every interaction never leaves the robot, UBTech purposefully built a highly secure system. They designed it this way because the product is meant to live in someone's home for years, faithfully remembering the owner's preferences, the names of family members, and the small, intimate details that turn a machine into a genuine presence. Looking at its market reception, by launch day, the entire series had already collected more than 13,000 orders. The U1 Lite itself carries a retail price of 119,800 yuan, which translates to roughly $17,650.